What's up, guys? It's KYRA and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell, we are doing a different type of video today as I'm coming to you guys with my weekend routine. So basically in today's video, I'm going to show you guys what I do on a normal Saturday. Like you guys know, weekends are all about relaxing, spending time with family, and just having fun and just taking a break from your traditional work week. So I always sleep in, typically. If I don't have anything to do, I always like to sleep in. I wake up, I look at my phone a little bit, watch some TV, kind of just lounge around in the room because that's what I do. And then after about 30 minutes or so, I'll get up, open the blinds. I am a huge sucker for natural light, so I love always opening up the windows every day. Of course, go ahead and make up the bed because I cannot leave my bed messy, you guys. I just can't do it. Every time I get in and out the bed, I have to make it up. So that's what I'm doing. Next up is going to be, of course, getting in the shower. Got to pick the right music. You guys see I'm playing Beyonce. I'm still on a high from the On the Run 2 tour, so give me a break. And then, of course, I'm going to jump into my skincare routine. Won't show you guys everything, but I do have a video and I'll link it down below to my current skincare routine. I do double cleanse, jam, of course. Is it really a routine if you aren't jamming and singing along to the music? And then, of course, brush your teeth, get all the teeth, you guys, and apply my moisturizer before I hop in the shower. Okay, after I got the shower, I just put on some lounge clothes. I just do some regular, yoga pants and a sports bra. And of course, again, open up the lighting in the living room. And then I want to make a light breakfast today. Normally on the weekends, like me and my husband will do like pancakes, something like that. But today I'm actually going to brunch. So I just did a really light breakfast and I'm making oatmeal for my meal. So just, regular quick, what's it called? A quick minute oatmeal, some milk. Pop it in the microwave and then add sugar, cinnamon, and raisins, and you have a yummy but healthy breakfast. Okay, and then after this, I grab a smoothie this is actually a leftover smoothie that I got from last night from Smoothie King. But I'll just grab the smoothie, light some candles. Y'all, I am a sucker for candles. They just set the vibe, So I light two I have from Bath and Body Works. Cut on some old school TV. You guys see I'm watching Martin. And just kind of just chilling on the couch. I can stay here for hours, just in this spot. Just hanging out, watching TV. On the weekends, I can be here for hours. But I'll just sit here on my phone, watching TV, eat, and just relax for about an hour or so before I have to get ready for brunch. Obviously, you guys can tell I am a neat freak. So I have to put everything back the way it was before I messed it up. So, of course, I have to put the plates back together. And then just go in the kitchen and rinse out my bowl and everything from my oatmeal. Put everything else away, and then we'll go ahead and start getting ready for the day. Again, here I am opening up the windows again. And this is just my quick go-to routine. I'll go ahead and also link down my 5-minute, 10-minute no makeup routine because that's basically what I did today. Just the tinted moisturizer, concealer. You guys know the drill. So kind of just doing that real quick for you guys. And if you want to see how to do this look, I'll link it down below. But just on a quick beat for the day. And here's today's OOTD. Just got my, I'm doing a short blunt bob, you guys. Got this faux lace corset top and some jeans and sandals, belt, earrings, and that's it. Just real simple today, y'all. Okay, can't forget to get my phone, my keys, my purse, a bag from Marshalls to return later on, and I am out of the door. All I need in this life is me and my girlfriend, down the ride to the very end. Me and my boyfriend, So so I'm gonna kind of cut right here during my weekend routine and kind of cut to like a traditional vlog style type video, at least while I'm out and about right now. So you guys saw what I typically do every morning. That's honestly, or not every morning, every weekend. That's literally like my routine. I'll sleep in, I'll get up, I kind of like take my time, mosey around, you know, light some candles, just really enjoy my morning. And then typically if Dion's home, him and I will like go out to brunch or just do something fun just to kind of get out the house, especially during the fall time, you guys. I don't know like what it is about fall, but like the summertime, him and I are traveling a lot, so we really aren't home very often during the weekends. But during the fall time, our schedules are a lot more normal. Whenever that the weather starts to drop and it starts to feel beautiful outside, like him and I love to get out and we'll just like go do random stuff, like, you know, go grab brunch or like just go, you know, do some outdoor shopping, or, you know, we'll like go do an activity. Like I know he wants to do some hiking this fall, so we'll do stuff like that. Then if there are days like today where he isn't here, then I'll probably go like do something with like my sister or my friends or something like that, and then I'll just catch him whenever, you know, he gets home. So like this morning, actually one of Dion's friends, girlfriends actually, is it's her birthday, and so he planned like a brunch for her and everything, and so that's where I'm headed right now. And as you guys see, it is the first day of fall, so I had to pull out my fall lippy, y'all. I have I'm wearing Rust by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a matte lipstick, not a liquid lipstick, just like a matte lipstick, and I put a little bit of a clear gloss over it because I feel like it was kind of flat. So I have that on, and I have a new hairdo, which I didn't really show you guys anything about the hair, simply because I do plan on doing a whole separate video all about this hair. But let me just say, you guys, I am in love. Let's just say it's a look, okay? It's a look. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and pay for this parking, head on to the restaurant, and catch you guys in a little bit.
I'm missing bacon on mine.
Here, camera. Okay, so once I get back from brunch and running my errands, here I'm talking to my husband because he's, I'm not talking to myself, you guys, I promise, I'm not crazy. I'm talking to my husband because he was home when I got back. I didn't mention earlier that a lot of times in the mornings, on the weekend mornings, Dion's either away at school studying, or he'll have like a conference or something, like a group project, something like that, because you guys know he's in school. So that's where he was all morning. But he's back home now, and he's in the room kind of chilling. So I'm gonna go back into the office and just clean up. Again, I am a neat freak, so I can't leave mess and clutter around for too long. And of course, wipe off the makeup, because am I the only person who cannot lounge around and be relaxed in makeup? I cannot do it. If I'm at home and I'm chilling, I have to be makeup free and completely comfortable in like lounge clothes. So after I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and head into the kitchen. I'll clean up the dishes. Typically we'll pick one a weekend out the month to do like a full clean day, but today is not that day, so I just do like a light cleanup, like, you know, wipe down some counters, wash the dishes, wipe down the, you know, the coffee table in the living room, just like, as just real simple, you know, nothing too intense today. Let me know if you guys want me to do a cleaning, you know, a clean with me routine, and I can show you guys how I really clean, because again, I am a clean freak. Cleanliness is so important to me. And once I get done with that, that takes about 15 minutes for me to just do like a light cleanup. And then I'll just go in the room and chill with my husband. Again, here's another candle, you guys. This one's from DW Home, which I love this brand. You can find it at Marshall's. And just light a candle and hop in the bed with him. And we love having like just KYRA, we call it KYRA Dion time, where we just hang out, we just binge watch shows, you know, just literally just like have some, you know, just time to just like unwind, relax. We'll just like lay in the bed for hours. And typically laying in the bed turns into falling asleep, or watching TV turns into falling asleep. as you can see right here. So my husband got up and went to the gym. So I'm here, you know, in the room solo. So I always fall asleep whenever on the weekends. A nap is a must, okay? So I fell asleep like an hour. I'm getting up right now and I'm doing a little bit of work. I'm trying, you guys, I'm trying to cut down the amount of work that I do on the weekends, but there's like at least an hour or two of work in each day. It never fails. All right, y'all, so hubby and I are heading out for date night. You excited, babe?
Yeah.
So we're heading out. Where are we going?
Red Lobster.
To the Red Lobster, y'all. We're fancy today. But
That's not
just wanted to show you guys, it was sarcasm, babe, obviously. It's not fancy. No, but just want to show you guys our quick little OOTD since we're doing, like, you know, our typical weekend routine. So I just have on some clear frame glasses, this like white and black tee. You guys probably saw it in my Forever 21 haul. I had the roll up my sleeves to make it look a little more edgy, you know. Stop, baby. And then I just have on some plain, also black jeans from my Forever 21 haul. I have on this black belt with this gold buckle and some black sandal pumps. And then Papa over here, y'all, doesn't he look like he should be in, like, he's like a Rico Suave, like he should be in Miami or somewhere tropical right now. He's so extra. Okay. Okay, we're hungry, so I'm gonna go eat and catch you guys later. All right, y'all, so we made it to the Red Lobster. I don't know how you call it the Red Lobster. I must have heard that from some movie, like the Red Lobster.
I don't know.
So we made it to Red Lobster, y'all. And Dion wants to come for the endless shrimp. He loves endless shrimp season. So we always come here like once or twice while they have it. So he's happy. If you guys know me, you know that I love bread and I always come for the cheddar biscuits. This is like the number one reason why I come here anyway. So got that, got a shrimp, got a meal, got some more shrimp, salad, and my handsome date. Okay, my snack, stop. Y'all, we were laughing earlier because whenever you sat down, I was like, oh my gosh, this is our first date spot.
Yeah,
for me and Dion's first date, which was what, 3 days after we met. So we had our first date.
It was on Tuesday or Monday?
We went on I think it was the Monday.
I think it was a Tuesday.
Or Tuesday. Okay, so it must have been, that had to be 3 days after we met. So y'all, we met on a Saturday, went on our first date on a Tuesday. And he took me to Red Lobster. And look at this. Over 9 years later. Still rocking.
Been a struggle bus, bro.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish dinner with my boo-boo, and we will catch you guys.
With your who?
My boo-boo.
I don't want to get boo-boo.
My baby.
Yeah, that's better.
My babe. My papa. My homie. We'll catch you guys later. Okay, so after dinner we went and grabbed some froyo, and now we are back at the house. Again, the second I get in the house, you guys, I am getting comfortable. Okay, I'm taking off makeup, I'm taking off shoes, changing them to some normal, regular, schmegular lounge clothes to, you know, get ready for the night. I'm just talking to my husband right here again, kind of just catching up on, well, I think we were trying to figure out what show or movie we wanted to watch on TV that night. We've been binge watching 911, and then we just recently started The Resident, so we're just always trying to figure out like what's something new for us to binge. But that's what we're doing right now. And then of course, again, setting the mood. You guys know I love candles, so I had to set them in the morning and then set them at night. So after the candles are set, I'll run into the room and change clothes and put on some pajamas. And the last thing I like to do before I like to get relaxed for the night and get kind of set in my spot, I like to just unwind for the night with a glass of wine. I love white wine, and I specifically love Moscato or something in that family. I love sweet white wine, just a random fact about me. But I love just having a nice glass of wine at night to unwind, you know, relax, and honestly kind of just set the mood for a nice chill night at the house. And so this is honestly where our weekend or our night ends, because me and my husband will just sit on the couch for a couple hours, watch some TV, or honestly just binge watch whatever we're watching. And 9 times out of 10 we'll actually fall asleep on the couch. So this is where our night ends. So hope you guys enjoyed my weekend routine, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.